If your MacBook gets wet, act quickly and stay calm. Immediately power off, unplug, and avoid pressing any keys or charging. Remove accessories, tilt to drain liquid gently, and blot with an absorbent cloth. Do not use high heat. Place the laptop with silica gel packs in a dry area. Wait at least 48 hours before powering on. Premature testing can cause damage. If liquid reached internals, stop and seek professional service. Only proceed if comfortable. Set up a clean, static-free workspace and gather precision screwdrivers and an ESD strap. Carefully remove the back cover, keep screws organized, and note their positions. Inspect for corrosion, discoloration, or sticky residue, and photograph any problems. Gently clean contacts with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush in a ventilated area. Allow parts to dry thoroughly, reassemble carefully, then test. If problems persist, stop. For severe damage or uncertain repairs, contact Apple or a certified technician. Good luck.